Welcome to our showdown between two popular portable washing machines. Today we're comparing the Benchfree portable mini washing machine and the GrinChat portable washing machine, both boasting a 16-liter capacity. These compact machines are perfect for small spaces, whether you're in a dorm, apartment, or on the go. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. One of the key differences between these two machines is their dehydration functionality. The Benchfree portable mini washing machine comes equipped with a spin basket, allowing for partial water removal after washing, which can significantly reduce drying time. In contrast, the GrinChat portable washing machine does not include a spin function, meaning clothes will be soaking wet after the wash cycle, requiring manual wringing. This feature can be a game changer for those who prioritize convenience. When it comes to hygiene, the GrinChat portable washing machine stands out with its unique blue light feature, which is designed to enhance sanitation during the washing process, making it particularly suitable for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. The Benchfree model, while effective, does not offer this additional sanitation feature. If hygiene is a top priority for you, this could influence your decision. Finally, let's talk about price. The Benchfree portable mini washing machine is priced at $79, while the GrinChat model is slightly more affordable at $69.99. This price difference reflects the added utility of the spin basket in the Benchfree model. If you're on a budget and can manage without the spin function, the GrinChat offers a great value for its features. In conclusion, both the Benchfree and GrinChat portable washing machines offer unique advantages. If you value convenience and quicker drying times, the Benchfree with its spin basket is the better choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with enhanced sanitation features, the GrinChat is a strong contender. Whichever you choose, both machines are designed to make laundry easier in small spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.